Hello YouTube, I'm going to do another update on this Tarago. It's a 2002 model, ACR30 GLI. We've had it for almost 4 years now, and it's been a very good family wagon. Hasn't given us any problems at all. We just took a trip up to Cairns. We're in Queensland right now, so it was about 1,700 kilometers each way, and then we did another couple of hundred kilometers while we're in Cairns up to Port Douglas and the Barron Falls and stuff. So it ran flawlessly. It didn't have any problems at all. It got 700 kilometers out of a tank. It takes about 60 liters, and I'm very happy with it. I am having some problems with windows. I can get the driver's one to work, no problem. It'll go up and it'll go down, no problem. But the passenger window from this side doesn't work. All the door locks, and this will still stop that window from going down with that controller, but not with this. It doesn't make a difference. Like I'll show you now, I can go to this side. I can go to this side and I can use this one, no problem. Also, I've noticed that the door locks, when you use the key to shut the doors, to lock the doors, like if I go to lock it, you can hear it lock, and then a couple seconds later you hear that same noise again. It's locked, but it sounds like there's a lock problem with it. When you unlock it, no problem, it'll still work, and all the locks unlock. So there is an electrical problem with that. The radio still works fine, the air conditioner and all those controls still work fine. The mirrors, I believe the left mirror stopped kind of working. Yeah, so the left mirror controller didn't work anymore, but the right mirror controller does. I don't know whether that's all linked to this problem here. I have taken apart this. I can't see anything problems with that. I do hear clicking underneath the glove box area when I'm using the window lock part, but I don't know whether that's normal or not. As far as the back goes, because we had 2 kids and it's a long drive, we put up curtains all around this, blackout curtains, so they could actually have some space and be, you know, in a quiet area. It worked really well. All the seats, we pulled these headrests out so you could fold this set of seats down. It'll meet that set of seats, and you can actually lay from the back to the front. These tires were the Bridgestone Ecopias. They've got 52,000 kilometers on them now. The back ones are pretty much, they were in the front, but these ones are pretty much worn out. They need to be replaced. I still got some tread on this. This one looks alright too. The rear brakes need to be done. The pads are getting low. They're not metal to metal yet. Yeah, so those were the electrical problems. I had a tail light go out that I replaced, and a brake light up here that I replaced, as well as a reverse light here as well. But since we did that, they've stayed fine. Let's go under the bonnet. This is the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. In those 4,000 kilometers that we did over the last 2 weeks, it burned a couple of liters of oil. So I don't see it smoking out the exhaust, and there's definitely no leaks underneath, but definitely burning more oil than it used to when it had like 190,000 kilometers on it. It didn't take any coolant. The coolant stayed up the whole time. The temperature up that way was about 27 degrees Celsius, so it wasn't too hot. But in saying that, it was hot enough to run the air conditioner. These lenses are really gone yellow, and I've used a turtle wax stuff that made them come back to normal again, but you can see that it doesn't take too long before they start going yellow again. They start getting fogged up. On low beam it's really hard to see. High beam still works all right, but low beam's a little bit dull. I think that's all I've got on this. If you got any questions, put them below. And if you got any comments on what that electrical problem might be, put them below too. Like and subscribe, and I'll do another update when I get to it.